If you've ever lost your temper, felt misunderstood, or wished you could handle conflict better, this is for you. Because emotional intelligence might be the most important skill you'll ever learn, and today, I'll show you exactly how to activate it, with real-life strategies that actually work. Let's start at the beginning. Emotional intelligence, or EQ, is your ability to recognize, understand, manage, and influence emotions, both your own and those of others. Unlike IQ, emotional intelligence is not fixed. It's something you can develop, strengthen, and apply every day. Psychologist Daniel Goleman outlines 5 key components of emotional intelligence: self-awareness, self-regulation, motivation, empathy, and social skills. Let's take a closer look at how to bring them to life. It starts with self-awareness. This is the foundation. Self-awareness means recognizing your own emotions as they happen. It's noticing when you're anxious, frustrated, or jealous, not judging it, just noticing. You can build self-awareness through mindfulness. Even 5 minutes of stillness can help. Journaling also helps. Write down what triggered you today and how you reacted, and don't be afraid to ask for honest feedback from people you trust. Awareness is the first step to emotional growth. Next comes emotional regulation. This is where emotional intelligence becomes power. Emotional regulation means managing your emotions instead of letting them manage you. It's not about suppression, it's about creating space between the feeling and the action. When you're angry, pause. When you're overwhelmed, breathe. When you feel reactive, label the emotion instead of becoming it. Say, I feel overwhelmed, instead of I am overwhelmed. That subtle shift creates clarity. That clarity gives you control over time. This skill builds resilience and inner peace. Then there's empathy. Empathy is more than understanding someone's pain. It's feeling with them without trying to fix them. Empathy starts with listening, really listening, without interrupting or planning what you'll say next. It's about being present, acknowledging someone else's experience, even if it's different from yours. Empathy strengthens relationships, it builds trust, and it transforms how we communicate as partners, friends, and leaders. Now let's talk about motivation. Not external motivation, but the kind that comes from within. Emotionally intelligent people are driven by purpose, not pressure. They align their choices with their values, they know what matters, and they show up for it consistently. Ask yourself, what energizes me? What do I value? What am I really working toward? When you're emotionally in tune, motivation becomes a quiet force, not a frantic one. Then there's social skill. Emotional intelligence is not just inner work, it's how we show up in the world. Social skill means knowing how to communicate clearly, how to set boundaries with kindness, how to handle conflict without adding fuel to the fire. It means making others feel seen, heard, and respected. You can start by practicing I statements. Instead of you never listen, say, I feel unheard when I speak and don't get a response. Small shifts like that change the tone of conversations and the outcome. So, which matters more? EQ or IQ? The research is clear. IQ might open doors, but EQ helps you build lasting success and meaningful relationships once you're in the room. People with high emotional intelligence manage stress better, they make wiser decisions, they lead with empathy, and they adapt with grace. It's not about being perfect, it's about being present and being intentional. Here's the truth. Emotional intelligence is a skill, not a gift, a skill, which means you can learn it, train it, and strengthen it, just like a muscle. Start with one habit, pause before reacting, check in with yourself each morning, practice empathy in just one conversation today. Do that daily, and you'll start to notice something: less chaos, more clarity, more connection, and a deeper, calmer version of you. Thanks for listening to this episode of Psyche Bites. If this helped you, share it with someone you care about, and keep showing up for your emotional growth. You're already doing the work. Keep going.